Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing good. So in this video, I'll be talking about SheCareJuice. It's from Krishna Herbal. This juice is specially for anyone who is dealing with irregular period, hormonal acne, bloating, or mild PCOD symptom. But if you have underlying health issues, especially thyroid, pregnancy, or severe PCOD, then check your healthcare before, drinking this. This 1 liter juice costed me around 580 rupees. And again, it's worth buying. It's a blend of Ayurvedic herbs like Ashoka bark, Durva grass, Chiratya, I don't know how to pronounce it, Baheda, Safed Chandan, and Nagarmota. The brand claim it support menstrual health, boost skin and hair, both eases stress, digestion, and hormonal imbalance. So overall, it's a full package for health, skin, and hair. Also, they claim it regulates menstrual cycle and reduces cramps. Also help with PCOD and PCOS both, improve skin and hair fall both, aid digestion, metabolism and immunity, reduces stress and boost energy. Also help to reduce pimple, better in digestion and reduce acidity as well. Very effective product. My period pain is almost gone. Every month my cycle is like every 23 days. So now everything is going smooth. I'm getting my period on time. Also, if you have less flow, then this juice also work in that. So overall, I feel like it's much needed for every girl out there. And according to label, just mix 30 ml of juice with 30 ml of warm water. Recommended twice a day on empty stomach in the morning, and then after dinner, like 30 to 40 minutes I take usually. It's made from natural herbs, no added sugar. So overall, it's a good product, and I did feel slight warm in my abdomen during week one, but then I got used to it. So overall, it's a Ayurvedic herb, so I felt safe, better than other medicine. So you can also give it a try. It does work. If pregnant or nursing, consult your doctor before taking this juice. And if you have tried it, just share your experience in the comment. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you like it. If you do, then please subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care.